Nwaha gidimbili fumbili wova nwaha we avana u thithisea zwithu zwinzhi u tou fana na tshumelo ya mulayo, hovha na u ongolowa kha u swikelela u thoma u shumiswa ha milayo miswa kha tshumelo ya mulayo.
The judiciary, like many other sectors in business and in society, had to consider how it would operate under the environment of a lockdown and with COVID-19 that started last year. The leadership of the judiciary issued directives to deal with issues of COVID-19 and the access of people to court premises and to courtrooms to ensure that there would be compliance with health protocols. But as far as the handing down of judgments, to a very large extent, it was based on virtual hearings.
COVID-19 yedo afuyalengisa zwa uitwa ndingo za utholwa vhahatuli. Izwi zosiya una zwikhala zwisina vhahatuli dzikhothe. Khothe khulwane ya lino nayone ina zwikhala zwa vhahatuli zwisathu dadziwaho.
The president would be making his decision known in due course. The appointments of judges in the other courts, such as the various divisions of the High Court, I am not sure what the delay is, what is causing the delay, but I hope that the president will make the appointments without any further delay.
Musi uchikulingiza udisa chanduko kha tshumelo ya mulayo ukadiwa na thodeya ya utholwa vhahatuli wa Vhafumakadzi uitela ndinganyo.
At the end of the reporting period under review, the establishment for judges comprised 234 judges in active service. 44% of those judges are women. The number of magistrates in active service is 1,726, of which 49% are women.
Muvhigo wa nwaha wa tshimo tsha tshumelo ya mulayo ubviswa nga ḓuvha lotiwaho sa ḓuvha ḽa tshumelo dza milayo hune havha u khou lavheleswa mishumo khathihi na kushumele kwa tshumelo ya mulayo.